happy birthday to my wonderful aunt. Your warmth and sense of fun make every moment with you so special. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve. Thank you for being beautiful. Stay sexy.
Hello po, Ninang Yen. Happy birthday po. I miss you and I love you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Marcian. Happy 40th birthday, Marcian. I wish you nothing but the best because you deserve all the blessings in the world. May our good Lord God continue to bless you with good health, wealth, happiness, and heartwarming moments to cherish. May the good Lord God answer all your prayers on your very special day. Stay young, stay pretty, stay sexy, stay healthy, and stay happy. Ang dami nating unforgettable moments, no? Siguro ang masasabi ko lang, I really appreciate your help. Lalo nung college ako, kapag meron na kaming assignment, meron kaming project, nakikicomputer ako sa inyo. Nung sinabak ako ng teacher ko sa singing contest, kahit di naman ako singer, nagpaturo ako sa iyo, tinuruan mo ako, nagpractice tayo kahit na napuyat ka na, gabing-gabi na, tinuruan mo pa rin ako. And nag-graduate ako ng college, di ba ikaw nag-makeup sa akin? So, I just wanna say thank you, Marcian, for the friendship, for being good and true friend. Just wanna say, I can be a good friend, I can love you until the end. I wish Wade is that leash. Marcian, God bless!
Hello Marcy, happy 40th birthday. I love you, I miss you. Alam mo naman yun. And unforgettable memory with you. Hindi ko makakalimutan lahat. Kasi nagsamahan natin sa high school. Yung masaya, alam mo naman yun. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung tawanan natin na halos mangiyak-ngiyak na tayo kakatawa. Naalala mo yung parang lagi natin sinasabi pag nagugulat. Tapos ang pagkabasa nila and then doon ay marilele yung piyok. Alam mo na yun talaga yun. Tapos sobrang tawa tayo. Marami. Pag umuwi tayo, umuulan, kahit umuulan, naglalakad tayo, nababasa ng mga late nights natin, after sumayaw, walang sawa, sa school magkakasama na tayo hanggang pag-uwi. Kasi umuwi tayo 3 a.m., 2 a.m., ganun palagi, everyday. So yun, marami. Namiss na kita, sana magkita-kita tayo, DWJ Company. I love you, Nancy. Happy 40th birthday. From Singapore to Dubai. Happy birthday. Hugs and kisses to you too, Kai. See you. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, Yen. So, it's been almost 3 decades since we last saw each other. And even if we haven't seen each other na, I just want you to know that I'm still your friend. And this coming November, don't forget, it's pageant season, especially Miss Universe. So, chat-chat na naman tayo. And kidding aside, I'm always praying that you'll have the best health that you could have. So, always take care din of yourself because it's not just for you, it's also for your family. I love you always and I miss you. I hope that we'll be able to catch up naman in person before we turn 50. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Hi Ate Yen, happy birthday. Birthday wish ko for you, of course. Sana lagi kang healthy and may our Lord Jesus Christ always protect you and may He continue to bless you and your growing family. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo with your loved ones. And happy birthday ulit Ate Yen. God bless.
Hello, bebe ko. Happy birthday. Alam ko, happy ka naman. Sana bago masundan si bebe kahit pauwi ka at makabanding naman kita. Super miss makita, bebe. Actually, hindi ko na matandaan kailan yung last na nakasama ka. Uwi ka na. At sana lagi ka masaya. Kayong dalawa ni Memo naman lagi kong pinagtutuloy. And health nyo and happiness always kasi deserve nyo. Sobra. I love you. See you soon. God bless.
Happy birthday, Nay! We miss you!
Hi, Nay! Mami Ann here. Diyos ko dahil kakarating ko lang galing opisina nang tumunog ang message ng kapatid mo, ang aking inaanak na si Orange. So, syempre, hindi ba dapat ako mawala sa pag-greet sa'yo? Kaya, kahit haggard ang itsura, wala pang tulog, I need to greet you. So, parang kailan lang ako yung nagpo-40. Ngayon, ikaw na. Tumatanda na talaga si Mami Ann. Anyway, I'm happy that you do have your family, you have your kiddo with you. Hopefully, masundan pa ng baby girl para kompletong-kompleto na. So, what I need you to do is just to continue praying. Also, Mami Ann is praying for you, for your safety, especially dun sa maliit mo. Gusto ko lagi siyang healthy. And I'm happy because I'm following your videos always every time na pinapasyal mo siya. And I'm very sure that you're a very good mother to your son. Siyempre, alam ko naman na mahal na mahal mo siya. At siyempre, siya lang muna sa ngayon. Siyempre, si husband din. So, gusto ko, happy kayo lagi. Sana mahaba pa ang buhay mo para makaabot ka pang magkaroon ng apo kagaya ko. Anyway, punta dapat ako dyan kaso walang available flight para makaabot sa birthday mo. Kaya, greetings na lang. So, I love you, Nay. Alam mo yan. I miss you so much. Sana makauwi ka dito at magkita-kita tayo. Thank you and happy birthday. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Nay! Member ka na rin pala ng Club 40, Welcome to the club. Si Nay, naalala ko sa sa bundoks. Yun, tayo nila Greg, nila Mariette. Basta marami tayo nila Kebs yan. Tapos, pati yung sa after shift ng karaoke. Yan, kasama na lang si Aris. Well, masaya, yun yung mga masayang panahon Mababa lang sahod pero ayos na rin, basta konti lang yung stress. So yun, I'm wishing you more success, of course, good health, and happiness sa new chapter of life. So, see you soon!
Hello, Nay. Happiest birthday to you. I know it's been a long time since we last talked. Masyado tayong naging busy as working moms. But I want you to know that I'm still a friend. Can't wait for us to meet again. With our kids, with Kayetan at Kiyo. Can't wait for them to play and bond. If nag-decide kayo na umuwi dito sa Pinas for vacation. And may fondest memories with you. I guess we're both fanatics when it comes to beauty contests. So, from TP hanggang nandiyan ka na sa Dubai, lagi tayong updated na when it comes to beauty contest. Lagi tayong nagta-chat about it. Siguro, yun ang namimiss ko ngayon. Sobrang hindi na natin nagagawa lately. But I'm wishing you all the best. You deserve everything that you have in your life right now. And happy birthday. Enjoy your day. You deserve it. Alright? Life starts at 40. So, always be happy. Birthday!
Happy birthday, ate. Sabi ni Kuya Carlo, ito daw ay para sa mga piling tao lamang. Ako ay isa sa mga napili. Pasensya na sa akin kahit tsurahan at ako'y medyo tamlayin. Pero yun, happy birthday, ate. Ang wish ko para sa iyo ay sana masaya ka palagi. Sana healthy para mas magkaroon ng mahabang panahon at madaming time para makasama si Kai. Mas magkabayan siya hanggang sa paglaki, hanggang sa pagtanda. Pati si Kuya Carlo na din. Tapos sana lagi kang masaya para mas lalong bumata. At sabi nga nila pag laging masaya ay nagra-radiate yung sa aura at saka nakakagaan ng buhay. Unforgettable mo. Madami sa MRT, pero kadalasan or karamihan ay sa yung ating mga kantahan moments kung saan-saan. Pero isa sa siguro sa pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan yung sinama mo ako sa Cavite, kasi na-feel ko na love mo ako talaga, na kaibigan mo ako, kasi nakilala ko yung pamilya mo at saka sino nga yung baby, yung cute, si Aaron, sila ate. Yun, hindi ko makakalimutan yun kasi yun, na-feel ko na love mo ako. Thank you doon, ate. Thank you doon sa mga pagkakataon din na sinamahan mo ako sa maraming bagay, sa maraming kalokohan, sa iyakan, sa tawanan, sa kwentuhan, sa lahat. Hindi ko yung makakalimutan. Kaya hanggang ngayon, kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap, kino-consider pa rin kita na ate ko. Yun, thank you. Tapos, yun, sana pag-uwi nyo, kung kailan man yun, sana ako ay okay. Sana sabihan mo ako para tayo ay magkita at saka magkakantahan ulit. At para makita ko rin si baby kahit wag na si Kuya Carlo. Ayun, happy birthday, ate. Sobrang love kita palagi. Hindi kita kinakalimutan kahit hindi tayo laging nag-uusap. At hindi kita makakalimutan. I love you, I miss you. Uwi ka na para tayo ay makapagkantahan na ulit. Ay din kila Mang Ted, kila ate, kahit Kuya Carlo sa inyo, sa kasama mo dyan. Happy birthday, I miss you, bye-bye, love you.
Hi Yen! Happy 40th birthday! Sana umabot tong greetings ko on the day ng celebration ng birthday mo. Kasi minsan lang to and hindi ako sanay actually. Anyway, ang tagal na pala talaga nating hindi nagkikita kasi hindi ko na maalala yung year na huli tayo nagkita. College days pa ata yun, graduation, I don't know. But then, ngayon, ma-realize ko 40 years old na tayo. And we are so blessed naman na na-reach natin tong age na to, na we are healthy, happy, lalo ka na. You are blessed to have a beautiful family, and isa yan sa mga wini-wish ko sa'yo, na yung family mo is laging punuin ni Lord ng love, happiness, and laughter, lalo na yung relationship mo sa husband mo. May God protect it always, and as a mom, na you will always be a great and amazing mom to your child, and enjoy your day, sis, and hopefully magkita rin tayo. I don't know when, but then stay happy and may God bless you always, and take care. Bye. Happy birthday again.
Hi Ate Yen, happy birthday. Wishing you an incredible day. Stay beautiful and healthy para kay baby boy. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Yen! Happy birthday! Nakakamiss yung mga bonding moments natin dyan. Yung mga iyak-tawa moments natin. Wish ko for you
At tingin ko, binigay na ni Lord yung pinakamagandang blessing niya for you and that's your baby boy. So, wish ko na lang is good health and peace of mind always. Miss you, love you, enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mami May. Thank you for our sisterhood and friendship all over the years. I love you and I miss you. See you soon. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, May. Enjoy your day with your friends and family there. Uwi ka na para makapag-celebrate tayo dito. Wish you more birthdays to come. Stay safe, strong, healthy, and beautiful as always. God bless you. See you soon.
Hi, May. Happy birthday. Wala na siguro ako masyadong mahabang messages. Alam mo naman na kung ano yung mga sasabihin ko. Anyway, yung unforgettable moment or yung mga times na hindi ko makakalimutan na magkasama tayo. Yun yung time na nasa GSK. Yung lagi tayong lasing. Tapos mag-shift pa tayo. And then ikaw yung lagi mong takbuhan tuwing may tampuan kami ng RD. Tapos yung mga one-on-one session natin, wala lang, nakakamiss lang. And since, syempre, may sarili-sarili na tayong pamilya, meron na din tayong priorities. Alam mo, huwag mong kakalimutan na nandito lang ako lagi sa'yo. At kay Kite as well. Basta, kung anong problema, mag-text ka lang. Hindi man tayo ganun lagi nag-uusap, but always here for you. I love you and enjoy your birthday.
Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Dory. Umabot ka na sa edad kung saan mas madalas sumasakit ang likod mo kaysa sa paglabas mo. Pero seryoso, sana magkaroon ka ng magandang kaarawan na puno ng cake, regalo at walang responsibilidad. Ang wish ko sa'yo, magkaroon ka ng maraming blessings at magandang kalusugan. Cheers to another year.
Ay, what happened, Ate Moyen? Birthday, right? Happy birthday, Ate Moyen.
Happy 40th birthday, Ate Moyen.
Stay young and beautiful.
Yeah?
Happy birthday! Hi, Ate Yen. Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. I really enjoy our small chit-chat always and sometimes in call when I'm at home. And I wish we can have more and those turn into real life-based events where we get to see each other, of course. And also lovely Kite with Kuya as well. And of course, knowing that this is your birthday, you have many more birthdays to come, of course, many more. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy it with your loved one as well. Always remember to stay happy, as well as I love you so much, and I hope you and wish you the best.
Hi anak, happy birthday. I'm just sending you my love and hugs. Malayo man kami sa'yo. Hope to see you soon. And you're always in our heart. I'm sending you my good blessings, love, hug, and kisses. And of course, I love you three. You, Carlo, and Kite. And I'm richly blessed having you in our lives. I love you. Alam mo na yun. Thank you very much and have a good day.
As you know, you saw someone pass by. We have the Toshina. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you very much.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Yen. We love you.
We love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Ingat.
Upwards.
Pakikis.
Happy birthday, Sexy. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. See you soon.
I found love
for me. Hello, happy birthday nga pala sa kaisa-isang babaeng nagpatibok sa puso ng aking napakababaerong kuya. Happy birthday sa iyo, Yen. More blessings to come, good health, mag-ingat kayo lagi dyan, okay? Hot heart.
Hi, hello, happy birthday. Wishing you happiness and good health. More birthdays to celebrate. God bless. And again, happy birthday. Love you. Happy birthday, Yun. Yun, happy birthday. Love you. Pati kay Carl. More birthday pa, more birthdays pa. Para ano, masaya. Parin paparito ka.
Happy 40th birthday, Yan!
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha!
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha!
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Happy birthday, Yan.
Okay. I hope you have a wonderful party and kisses to Kitty. Okay. We love you. We miss you. Hope we can see you one of these days. Okay.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wala si Denny. He is working, so
Yeah, he's
just
working.
us.
Fraser's working too, so just the two bears here saying happy birthday.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Yen.
Happy birthday.
Ano ba naman magbe-birthday ka pa? Alam mo naman puyat ako. Kita mo naman wala pa ang katulog-tulog. Birthday ka pa ng birthday dyan. Kailangan pang ganito, ganito. Alam mo namang hindi maalam. Ano pang abang gagawin na ito na di happy birthday, diba birthday nga ni happy birthday ganon. Okay, enjoy, bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Yen. Wishing you all the blessings and happiness in life. Enjoy your day. Okay.
Happy 40th birthday po, Mama Yen. Sana po umuwi naman po kayo para makilala po ako ni Guide. Enjoy your day po. We love you po.
Happy birthday, Ate Yen. I hope you enjoy your day filled with love and happiness and continue having a wonderful life with Baby Kite and Kuya Carlo. Siguro unforgettable memory ko is nung ginugupitan mo ako ng buhok nung elementary, short hair with bangs. So, feel ko yung pagiging Dora ko. Kaya siguro ko gala ngayon. But kidding aside, namimiss ko yung moments na manonood tayo tapos sabay tayong iiyak or malulungkot. So ayan, I miss you, Ate Yen. Enjoy your very special day. Love you.
Happy 40th birthday to our beautiful sister.
Wish you all the best, babes.
Stay fabulous.
And don't forget, age is just a number. At ang beauty mo, forever yarn. We love you.
Happy birthday.
We love you, say Arla.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Yen.
Happy birthday, Tita Yen.
Ayan, so, syempre papayag ba naman ako na tawang-tawa kayo sa itsura ko kanina. Ako naman kasi, alam mo namang makahiga pa eh. Birthday ka ng birthday agad dyan. Kaya ayan, napilitan akong mag-retouch ng konti. Hindi naman totally retouch. Woke up like this lang talaga. Charot. Anyways, happy birthday, Yen. Happy birthday sa dati kong medyo best friend ko, pero hindi na masyado ngayon. Awan mo ko bakit, hindi ko alam. Anyways, gusto ko lang malaman mo na dito pa rin naman ako. Dito pa rin ako parati para sa iyo. Miss kita, miss din kita. Salamat dun sa nung nagpunta ako dyan na talagang kahit okupado yung oras, pinipilit mo pa rin mag-banding tayo. Nung nag-live ako, pinanood ko pa yun dito, nandito na ako sa Pinas, pinanood ko pa rin, and tawang-tawa ako, masaya ako. Hindi ko lang siguro na napapakita or napaparamdam na rin sa'yo na ganun pa rin ako kaano sa'yo. Pero sa sarili, ganun siguro pag tumatanda na, kasi minsan yung gusto mo sabihin, akala mo nasabi mo na yung pala sa sarili mo lang, sa isip mo lang pala. Basta ganun yun. Happy birthday. Enjoy your life. Enjoy pa rin kahit may baby. Huwag kalimutan ang sarili. Okay? I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Yan Yan. Happy birthday. I've known you since 2001. Wow, 24 years. Can you imagine? So, you know, I always tell you that each of my sister-in-law, she is my favorite. But today, it is true because it's your day. I love you. I'm really proud to be your brother-in-law. And again, happy birthday. Love you. What's that? Strange. Strange. It's a rabbit.
Happy 40th birthday, Yan. Naku, inabot mo na kami. Seeing you step into this new decade is an incredible thing. Makes me so proud. So, chin-chin to all you have achieved at sa mga beautiful adventures ahead pa. Sana lagi ka masaya, healthy, and lahat-lahat. Nandito na lagi si ate mo. I love you.
Happy birthday to the best mom in the world. I'm so grateful for everything you do for us. I promise to try to be less naughty, just a little, and stay as cute and handsome like Daddy. We love you so much, and we're so lucky to have you in our lives. Have the most amazing birthday, Mommy.
You're so special, you're so cool. Makes you blush, but it's the truth. No one deserves it like you do. Cheers to another year of you.